Welcome, I'm filming with the OPPO Reno 4 and today I will show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, open up Settings. From here scroll down to Additional Settings. At the top you will find Storage and then scroll down and you should see your SD card. So select it and in here you will have the option to Format SD card. Tap on it, again tap on Format SD card, and it will give you a message that all data on this SD card will be erased. This operation cannot be undone. Continue. So if you want to, tap on continue and this will remove all the data. And now if you want to back up some of it, then you will need to do it before you actually begin, otherwise it will be erased. But once it's finished, tap on OK and you're basically done with formatting your SD card. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.